Attention, all WoW fans. So, for those of you who know that Blizzard has once again silenced me on trade chat, but this time they've gone way too far. So, I think I might file a police report or something like that, but here's what they said though, and I'm gonna show it to you on my email though. So give me a sec here. All right. So this is my email though, and this is what they said. Violation, abuse chat. Your followers, players reported you for absolute language multiple times, which which that's very very odd. Like I didn't use abused language, guys. I didn't do nothing about that. And it also says due to this player's report, we have silenced your Warcraft account until 2020 May 14th though. That's almost like 1 year from now though. It's almost 2019 though, so I have to wait for another whole year though, and that is not fair at all. Like I'm so pissed off at Blizzard right now. Like seriously, do you guys think I should file a police report to Blizzard? To Blizzard about this so like that's really not fair to me at all though. Like like here, hold on. Like I just don't freaking get it. Of you guys you guys like what I do on trade chat though, okay? And that's really hurting my feelings at all. Like really does. Like I'm not I had to make another new account, but to able to on so I can be able to talk on Warcraft though. But I tried talking on Diablo 3 and they silenced me on Diablo 3 too though. So I can't talk on that either though. Like that's just not fair at all. And like seriously though, like should I file a police report to Blizzard about this, you guys? Cause that's freaking not fair at all. I'll let you guys know about this. I'm posting this on my second channel, Steeljaw. Alright. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think what I should do. Alright, because that's just not fair at all. Anyways, see ya.